we mentioned earlier, President Trump is headed to England for meetings with King Charles III and Prime Minister Keir Starmer. Ahead of the visit, UK security officials say they have planned for every eventuality. Officials in Windsor are preparing for the president's second state visit with tightened security. Thames Valley Police are leading preparations. They are using drone teams, officers on horseback, marine patrols, and undercover units. The high-profile trip comes just days after the assassination of conservative advocate Charlie Kirk, a longtime supporter of President Trump. For more on the security on President Trump's visit to England, let's bring in former head of Royal Protection and a former Divisional Commander in the Metropolitan Police, Dai Davies. Great to be with you.
Well, good afternoon to you. Nice to talk to you.
So first, let's start with some somber news out of the U.S. regarding the assassination of Charlie Kirk. There's a lot of heightened security. Will that impact President Trump's visit in the U.K.?
No, professionally, I don't think it will. Clearly, any lessons that can and should be learned from that assassination, from that murder, will clearly be taken on board by those actually doing the full range of protection at Windsor and indeed at the Prime Minister's official residence where he's going the day after tomorrow. I would hope by now that everything is in place, and clearly Windsor Castle is ideal for a safety security structure. Although it's 1,000 years old, it is still a very secure premises because our King and Queen actually live there most weekends. So it is one, you can keep people out, a bit like they did 1,000 years ago. So yes, it's a very safe venue as far as it's humanly possible to make it.
Now, of course, no royal family here, but people are very excited to tune in and to watch and to see the president there. Could you discuss some of the efforts to protect President Trump and what is going on, especially behind the scenes?
Well, if you imagine an onion, it has layers, and the same applies to protecting your president, and again, to a lesser extent in terms of how we do it. You're very different to how you do it in the United States because the two countries are very different. Although sadly, we are moving towards a more violent society than previously, certainly when I was doing the job 25 years ago now. So yes, in respect of securing him and making sure he is safe, everything possible will be done in terms of the uniform side that you will see. As you're probably aware, only 10% of our officers carry guns. All of my officers in royalty protection certainly did in my day, and that's right, given the threat that we've had over centuries, really, from attacks from a variety of different sources. And I was one of the ones who insisted that my officers were armed, and not everybody agreed with that, despite the threat we were then under the IRA and other terrorist groups. However, beneath the service, you will also see a huge range of things. There'll be no-fly zones. There'll be additional support in terms of probably our special services, our SAS and others will be on standby close by, and they will deal not only with major threats to your president and our king, but also those accompanying.
Dai Davies, we'll have to leave it there. You are one of the world's foremost experts in security and investigations. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.